This took me only 10 minutes to learn, and I'll show you the 3-step routine that I use daily to play rhythm patterns like a pro. Stop wasting hours practicing random stuff with zero progress. Once that I discovered this routine changed everything for me, and it changed for you too. Let's dive in. The main idea of this technique is to play the chord and spread the same chord throughout the octaves. For example, let's say I'm playing this A minor, A, C, E with A. You can play like that, doing octaves, or just a single note doing the root on the left hand. And then you play just one time, one, and then you go 2 octaves above, so 1, 2, 3, playing exactly the same notes, and then play moving back like this. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not counting right now exact the tempos, just counting the repetitions just to make sure to play all of them. And one more, let's do C major. So C major, C, E, G with C, the same thing. You play one time, go to 2 octaves above, so 1, 2, 3, here's the second octave, and then play going back like this. So let's count the repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second step is to add connections to these higher chords, which means every time you play these chords, you're gonna play an arpeggio just after the main chord. For example, I'm gonna start play this A minor in the central area, and then I'll move 2 octaves above, and then I play an arpeggio, which means instead I play all the notes together, I'm playing one note at a time like this, starting always on the highest note. So again, 1, 2 arpeggio, and then move to the next octave, going down, and then again arpeggio, and then go back to the central area. And by the way, if you're looking for a piano course, especially for beginners, I will leave a link to my course in the description down below. Back to the lesson. So you play here in the main octave, and then move up here 2 octaves above, and then play arpeggio, play arpeggio, play arpeggio, and then you finished. You can play exactly the same chord again, or move to the next chord in the chord progression. Let's play one more time. So 1, chord, arpeggio, chord, arpeggio. You can repeat the left hand as well. Chord, arpeggio, and you finished. Let's do one more. C major, exactly the same thing. So play here, top, arpeggio. One more. Here, play, arpeggio, everything, arpeggio, everything, and then move to the next chord. To apply this technique to songs, we're gonna use exactly the same logic here. And to demonstrate to you this, I'm gonna use the song Knocking on the Heaven's Door by Bob Dylan. And the chord progression for the song is, I'm gonna play G major, G, B, D with G, D major in this inversion, F sharp, A, D with D, A minor again, A, C, E with A, and then C major. We're gonna repeat G, D, and then C major, C, E, G, with C. And I will do this technique every time that I notice that I have enough space to play it. For example, in this song, every time that I'm playing this G major, D major, I still have the vocals, the singing. And then when I play this A minor, I have a little bit of space to play this technique here. So let's say I'm just playing this pattern, repeating the chords. So 1, 2, 3, 4, the C still over here, and then I will play A minor one time, move, 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 and then keep playing to the next chord in the chord progression. G major, again, D major, and C again. And keep playing, repeating. So that's it, that's the main idea. Let me play now this same technique but with the vocals. Another cool trick is to use exactly the same logic here, but instead of play the arpeggio, you play doing inversions. You sound like this. To learn how to do that, just click on this video up here. So thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Ciao!